If you're looking for a really good face and neck moisturizer, this cream by ImpressionZ is one of my absolute favorites. It's calm and soothing and cool, and it goes on nice and smoothly, and I just love it.
So it comes in this nice quality jar and it has a very faint, fresh fragrance, which I love. The texture of it is super smooth and rubs in very easily. I typically use it on my face and my neck, and it really provides an all-day hydration. So I always apply it after I wash my face, and sometimes I use it over my snail mucin. So I put that on, which makes for a nice, smooth, really hydrated feel, either before I put my makeup on or just before I go to bed. So the cream is made with really amazing natural organic ingredients like aloe, hyaluronic acid, tea tree oil, and ceramides. Most face creams that I've had don't have the ceramide, so I love that this one does. And I have pretty sensitive skin, and this one has no dyes or harsh chemicals, so it's super gentle on my face and my neck, so it's really good for all skin types. Now, I've been using this for a couple of weeks, and I have noticed a more even skin tone and a bit brighter of a feel of my skin after just a few applications. I also noticed that my makeup goes on a lot smoother after I use this. Even like around my eyes, I don't feel as many fine lines, and it just goes on nice and smooth, and I kind of don't even have to use as much makeup, so that's really great. And anything that's left over, I just rub it in my hands, and I even feel my hands getting softer. So whether you're getting ready for the day or getting ready to go to bed at night, this moisturizer is really, really great. So go check it out.